Hey everyone, Fishing Blackwater Sound is proud to announce that I am back out at the sanctuary. Hopefully going to catch a largemouth bass on my new setup, my new rod. So I'm very excited to do that. I will be using the wacky rig to do that, so I want to catch them quick. But, very important announcement, Fishing Blackwater Sound has an official new logo. I will have merchandise soon, beanies coming at you with an awesome logo, shirts, hoodies, man, even coffee mugs. So stay tuned and definitely check out the merch when you get a chance. And thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I hope to bring you a lot of fun content. We'll be back with a fish. My first fish on my Baitcaster. Oh, and he came off. First fish on the Baitcaster completely came off. All right, fish number one. I did hook up on one. My very first cast, but after that, got nothing. Learning how to cast with a Senko, or at least, or at least with a lightweight bait on my new Baitcaster, but I would love to hook up. Yeah, here we go. We got a boat in the sanctuary coming along. Better haul butt over there. Oh, nice fit. I'm gonna try to catch one bouncing off these rocks with this awesome crankbait. Let's try it. Oh, that didn't do too well. Huge bird's nest. That was terrible. We'll be back. That is a big alligator. Damn! Struck out 3 bites. No landing of no fish. And a decent sized bird's nest. So that'll conclude this video, especially if I don't catch them here, which I doubt it. That's it for me. Gotta go, guys. I'll come back this weekend to catch them.